Hello and welcome to Spot On. Spot On was designed as a peer-to-peer website to help individuals that live in Boston and they face parking problem. So we have come up with an idea that a lot of people they have some parking spaces left outside their house for no use. Sometimes they own a car and their car is out for service. So we come up with the idea, so why not those people can earn money from it? If you have an empty parking space, you can go to our website and you can list your spot, and then somebody who wants to park and who's in looking for a parking spot, they can book it online and they can use it. It's the same as Airbnb or similar websites. For the website, we went with a simpler design so that it's going to be easy for people to navigate. So if you go to our website, the first is home, about, pricing, booking, and contact. You can also make your account. If you go press this login app, you can connect with your Facebook or Google, or you can sign up with email. Similarly, we have a built-in chat feature. So if you're facing any problem, you can always message here, and our agents will be there to help you. So if you come to the home page, this is very simple layout. You go down, that's our about. Then if you go down, there are two choices. That's what I said earlier. Either you can find a spot if you're looking for a parking, or you can rent your own spot if you have anything available and you can earn money from it. So we have two tabs on the home page as a shortcut. If you just press this book now, you will be redirected to the booking page where you can put your details like name, email, phone number, and from the service you can select hourly, weekly, or monthly, which I'll go over later. And for the location, you can choose your neighborhood where you're looking for parking and you can press book. If you go for pricing, these are the neighborhoods which we are currently dealing with, and the hourly rates are from $4 to 4.50 dollars. Daily rate is $25 to $30. Weekly rate is $100, and monthly is from $350 to $400. We are also trying to add more areas to our list as our company progresses. For the contact page, if you have any if you're dealing with any problem, or if you want to give your feedback, you can always put your details here and submit, and hopefully one of our teammates will get back to you. We have also included our Facebook and Twitter links in the on the website, so you can always go there and you can you can look for it. For the website, we have added this parking space, a parking lot picture over here, so that people can have a sense, because some people they go for visuals than just for reading. And in the end, we have attached this picture of a lovely family and happily enjoying in the car, and they don't have to worry because of finding a parking space, because a lot of struggle when you have a car and you go to big cities is that where to park the car, and it's always a struggle, especially for the dads. So as you can see, our company will help them find a parking spot even before they reach the destination. Thank you so much.